Hey, it's John Opoon Digital here, and today I am introducing HotJar. So what is HotJar? HotJar is a heat map tool that allows you to record your visitors' behaviors on your website. Now, why do you need it? You need it because you want to know what behavior your users are doing on your website. And for one, most people don't actually know what people are doing on their websites, and if they are generating any inquiries, if not, why not, what kind of information they're looking for, why are they on your website in the first place. And by installing HotJar on your website, you'll be able to see their customer journey, the behaviors, what they are looking for on your website, what's standing out, what's sticking out, what's working, what doesn't work. What buttons are getting clicked on, what downloads are they going on, what pages are they going on. So this is a huge insight in terms of your user behavior on your website, and why it's a must if you want to improve on your website conversions. You need to know how they behave on your website. I'll give you an example that I've got here. Someone that came onto my website on Limit Break Lifestyle. And so they came onto the website, started scrolling through, didn't want to look at testimonials, clicked on the logo, went back on the home page again. Then they decided to go get started. Okay, get started. They went to About Us, find out more about us, started reading about ick for a while, or probably started playing with their phones and got distracted, and then started to scroll through more, started to scroll onto my profile and start reading about me, and then probably just decided to finish off there. So that's a quick insight of one that I've got. And so this is just a quick video just to introduce you to a very huge tool that I would recommend everyone to install onto their website should you want to improve your conversions and understand your audience behaviors. So until next time, share and like this video if you find someone that wants to use or have use of this video. Share this video and let them know. Live life with no limits. See you in the next video.